Oh wow, how appropriate. The song is called Floating in Space, which is certainly what Nvidia is doing right now, where the sellers just are not there. Nvidia opened up about 3.5%, 3.2%, and closed up 3.52%, kind of where it opened. But a fresh all-time high intraday, and on the close, astounding. It's beautiful. Money-making machine for now, until they pull the rug at some point in the future. Hard to strategize something like this. I mean, the measure move, I think, has been hit of the bull pull bull flag. Fibonacci, we can just high to low it. See some deep fib extensions. All right, 2618, 132.35. There you go. Well, we have not seen $130 yet. Got to 129.80 pretty much in the last 20 seconds of trading on the day. Beautiful. And fresh all-time highs on multiple technology assets. Okay. So I think you got to ask the question, right?
Technology, what is that all about? Is it good or is it whack?
It's super good. And the QQQ, which is technology, all-time highs, just completely gone, up 0.54%. And that's great. Okay, so this is technology, NASDAQ 100. All right, but then you had like Broadcom earnings report after the close yesterday, and you can see the ramifications of the good earnings, which is all-time highs, price discovery. Never before seen levels like this. This was a breakout, almost identical to Nvidia at one point earlier this year. So high volume, major disparity in price in that gap. So you may not be filling that gap anytime soon, especially if it follows Nvidia. Crazy, man. And then what I'm very proud of is Hewlett Packard. Remember, you're getting a Hewlett Packard, bro. Ah, dang. But hey, it looked set up, man. Nice confirmation low at the 200, the demand line. Once they broke 1750, 1787.
Apple and Nvidia. Fat gains, boys. Rip to those holding and hoping Bitcoin will do the same. Sad.
Greg P, thanks for the 5. Yeah, rather frustrating situation for crypto, the crypto bros. This is maybe a good lesson in becoming a traditional technical analysis bro. Not swearing allegiance to one asset class and only one. Not caring about traditional assets. Yeah. I mean, the CRV rug pulled. I think Hex is destroyed. I saw something, some tweet. Some guy like staked $3.4 million worth of Hex. It was a 5.7 year staking length. That $3.4 million is now $3,400. Yeah, dude, we're cool. All good, dude. Wonder where all that money went. Crypto bros to crypto orphans. Great day to...
Can devs do something? Every day I'm checking the price and it's dipping. Every day I check the price, bad price. I can't take this anymore. I have overinvested by a lot.
Oh, yeah? Well, one day you'll learn. Gotta be a chameleon, man. Hey, if it's oil stocks, setting up our prices, all right, let's go take a look at oil. Let's maybe set up an entry and a stop loss. Oh, if it's technology, all right, maybe we set up an entry and stop loss. Oh, if it's crypto, entry stop loss. Okay. Doesn't really, oh, it's freaking platinum. All right, gold, silver, let's do this thing. Not just, oh, I'm stuck on crypto. I'm obsessed with crypto. It is my entire identity. I'm just going to sit in crypto. You got to be able to like monitor markets. And hopefully I've done like at least a somewhat half a job of being here on stream and covering multiple markets, so you're at least illuminated to that situation, even if you like don't watch anything else all day. At least you know here kind of maybe where the Momo might be. Okay. Anet, beyond insane. Talk about setups. I mean, do we need to go back and take a look? I think we do need to take a look, man. I mean, it was there. It was beautiful. Well, how are we gonna do this? It was there, man. 3 rising valleys near breakout point. It's gone. It's freaking gone. To moon. Continuation and a long-term uptrend. Great. That's what you're looking for, man. Any market, any day. You're looking for corrections to conclude, higher lows, indubitably, and then bullish consolidation structures to develop. This is a great one. Great example of that. Bullish patterns and bullish trends, long-term uptrends. Lower risk, in fact, than finding an S-coin bubble pop 886. Like it's better, technically speaking. So all-time highs today on Anet, Arista Networks, electronic technology, computer peripherals. Nice. We looked at this one yesterday. Skyworks continuing to launch. Where, man, I mean, it's just long time, but triple bottom, 113, 118, you bet money that thing, that at least they're going to test that zone again. I don't know if they'll break it, but if once they do test it, they break it. That's where resolution of this huge M shape, you got, it's a semiconductor asset, so pretty decent place to be, you know, for upside potential, at least as it stands now. So talk about value. This might be one of value, you know, where you can't really get this anywhere else in semiconductors. It's kind of, oh, they're gone. They're Nvidias. But maybe, I mean, this isn't value by any means, but this is Dell that got wrecked on earnings. Chart? What's up, BD? Thanks for the 20 super chat. Core Scientific, it's gone. I mean, it's like runaway freight train. We'll look at it. Thank you, sir, for the contribution. So Dell, a gap filled. They're trying to bottom it out. Could be the highest low ever. Maybe some hidden bullish divergence in development. You just never know, man. This thing's been going and going. That could have been it. Nice pullback, and this is what people are praying for on Nvidia and others. And it's like, it happened on Dell, but they don't care. They don't care right now. They'll only care when it's back up filling the gap at 169. Yeah, FOMOing. One that looks interesting. It's not technology, but it is real estate. I know it's probably going to fail anyway. Boston Properties. It's just like this insane class accumulation structure occurring, like, you know, kind of at the basement here. I mean, it recently made its lowest price in 2009, and this is here, and it's like, you could probably set a stop loss up below 56.50 and let it ride and see what happens. Because they're trying to put in a third freaking valley, and it probably looks incredible on the weekly. It's a big pattern. Yeah, it would be like bullish convergence. You're not going to get that hidden bullish divergence in third valley. I don't know. It's an 886 too, low to high value, dude. We'll see. It's real estate. Real estate's bad right now, anyway. High interest rate. So, Besonic, thanks, man. That's it means a lot. I really appreciate the kind words and the you know, you letting me know that I've had a positive effect on your life. That that's worth more than its weight in gold when I get positive feedback like that. And it's motivating, prevents me from burning out. Been doing this 6.5 years now. So it's fun making money, but it just kind of, you keep making money, you keep paying taxes, you keep making money, and it's like, well, y'all kind of keep it fun and more fulfilling. Yeah. Starscream, that's one we got to look at because that was fantastic. The person who requested that a few days ago, hyped in the chat for that person. It was solid. It was an M shape completing, and it just happened to be a spring back test. It was easy to manage risk, and that M shape kind of helped your probability outcome of up next, not down, and it's started out really well. So, heck, man, let's just do it now. Moss and Infrastructure Group, apparently a miner. Internet Software Services, dude. It was great, right? We did this trade setup live. It was the spring back test, higher lows. This is what it's made of. The dreams are made of. Up 12.16% today, up another 2.41% after hours, trading at 170. And that's just the beginning. I mean, the target is 359. Oh yeah, was it you, SoFlo? Were you the culprit of the request of MIGI? Because it was great, man. Really, really good. Easy to manage risk. Great upside potential. Everything was there. So you would look for this on any asset, on any market, on any given day. This is what you're looking for. The dream. Thanks again, dude. Oh, hey, it's Micron. It's all-time high, Ron. Technology. Highest close, highest price, literally ever. Unstoppable, exceeding 1618. Are they going to take this to the 2618 at 179? Because that's freaking ridiculous. That's crazy up there. Yeah, so Flo, thanks for the 5th super chat ever. I wonder what that what it tracks to. Does it say like, hey, this is your 30th super chat ever? I'm not sure. No crypto today. We're of course going to look at crypto, but you have to understand that like crypto, what is happening in crypto outside of CRV joke guy getting liquidated? Nothing's happening. It's dead. There's no liquidity, no buyers, nothing's happening. So it's like, this is a traditional technical analysis community, right? Why do they call it traditional? Because traditional markets is where all the research was done. What is crypto? Completely untraditional. Wild West, man. Do you think I started in crypto? Good God, no. I was years removed from ever giving a crap about Bitcoin. So it's like, this is our roots, man. Micron technology. Qualcomm, all-time highs. Incredible. The Jesus. Let's just do it for all the technology today. $217.81. My God. You know, ST, this one looks interesting. Constellation, it looked good, and then, oh man, it pulled back, and it's like, man, this is like an 886, like an M shape right here. In a long-term uptrend, this could be like this is the highest low ever on Constellation. People just like, it's so subtle, no one gives a crap, but that's it. This is the highest, and before it was the second highest. It was the former highest low ever. Now it's this one. M shape. This one looks like reaccumulation, getting set up maybe. You got a sell wall at 272. Just pay attention, please. STZ. Could be huge upside on it. Well, oh God, of course. We got stupid earnings July 3rd. So maybe it gets destroyed. But man, it looks good right now. All right, so let's go to the bigger ones. Apple, having a hangover day, even though it closed at its all-time highs. After hitting the 1.618 fib extension, closed $214.24. What a breakout, man. What a breakout. You figure it's not done. You think like 2618, I'd say 250 probably at some point, even if it pulls back and back test 200. Yeah, SMCI, man, talk about this. This one was crazy. Right? Just had that buying base around 700, broke the supply line, back tested the supply line. You put in a little high or low, subtle high or low, and then just launched up 12.44%. This thing's probably going to just a nice Fibonacci retracement from the high to low. I mean, you're probably looking at 1,018, 1,010. 1,110, excuse me, 618,786 up there. So this one, probably, it could very well rival the highs from March of 2024, and then after that, 1,500. Yeah, I just don't know how you could be like, it's like I don't know like how you're like, oh, I'm obsessed with crypto right now. I have to know about crypto, and it's like, well, what's going on, dude? Like, why? Like, what in the world is possessing you to be like hyper fixated on crypto when there's just no liquidity, dead market right now, and you have assets doing this stuff, and they've been doing this stuff while crypto's done nothing. All right, yeah, so great day. Knock out these big boys, and then we'll switch it to crypto because people want to see crypto. All right, here's Google. Nice. 1, 2, 3 failures. It was down 1.4% today. It's supply line, man. All this divergence. If it draws down here, it would make plenty of sense. And before it doesn't, but I'm just saying, right? Like, you got a few variables. You got a little argument that would dictate lower. 168 minimum. So we looked at Apple, Google, Microsoft. Highest daily candle close in human history today. Same price as yesterday, though, intraday. Just elevated, man. Outer space. Amazon. Nah, man. No one cares about Amazon. Even though it looks prime, all you need is one news-driven catalyst. Bezos making the call about semiconductors or AI implementation into Amazon's infrastructure. Gone. 15% candle. See you at 217. Just not yet. I would not give up. I would keep your eye on this one if you can. Let's just look at Meta. We looked at Nvidia already. Meta near all-time highs. Similar situation to Amazon in terms of price. Correlation to levels, right? It's about the same. All right. So there you have it. Let's head on over to crypto. Yeah, two arguments
hey
here.
Mitch, good call, Terra Wolf. Can we look at it? Thanks.
T-Bone Lucchese, thanks for the $20 contribution. We will look at TerraWolf. Wu-Tang! Sold a few calls today. Holding some for 6. It's all gravy now, man. Really. What a freaking... that's just identifying value, deep retraces, classic accumulation, risk management. Everything was good. And it's like, I'm surprised. It's just I had no expectations about when I took those calls a month and a half ago or whatever. I had no expectations. Because it's like, I can't believe that it didn't just pull a Filecoin or one of these, all these loser S-coin, trash, garbage, right? Just, I'm going to put in a bottoming base and just sideways for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, whatever. Never go anywhere. It didn't do that. It played out. Animal freaking spirits, man. It's over doubled. So yeah, hype in the chat for a few miners doing things. Crypto connected assets, crypto adjacent assets. I mean, crypto correlated assets on traditional market, respecting the TA. So here's Bitcom, 28 minutes to your daily close, working on the lowest daily candle close, of course, since May 19th. Bearish and golden candle, testing the 382 today from the low to high. You know, so I mean, it'd be cool, like if on the 4 hour somehow they miraculously put in a second low here. It'd be cool, but don't really have much hope or faith in that. Summertime, no volume, nothing. Momentum is not really here. I mean, you have to have a news-driven catalyst. A news-driven catalyst will change things. And until we get one, we're just kind of stuck here, man. I don't think we're going all-time highs without a change in sentiment. Baxter, smart man. Smart man. It's the future. Can't stop it. Many shorts liquidated, homeless, poor, because they thought they could bet against it. Didn't work out. So that's the update, man. Wow, lowest daily candle close since May 19th coming. Bearish and golden candle coming. It's not really great. Bearish divergence still playing out. Highest level of negative momentum seen since May 2nd. RSI at its lowest level since May 12th. Not a good day, man. Not really. I mean, and you know if it's bad on Bitcoin, it's terrible on others. And here it is. If you want to see it, this is the rug. The most notable thing that occurred on the crypto market today was the CRV event. It was last night or whatever. Still the same 24-hour period. Well off the lows. Got as low as 21.96 cents for the bounce, but this is death throes, all-time lows. October 2020 level taken out like a hot knife through butter. We call that capitulation. Highest volume spike ever. Get wrecked. And we will just do it, you know, because people would say, like, dude, what about CRV? What about C? It's like, what about it, man? It was actually, who in the world could have had a somewhat successful setup? Oh, why is it doing this crap, man? Gotta just delete the TradingView app. It's so bad, dude. Just give me what I want. A really hard workout today with my trainer, man. It was bad. All right, so let's just take a look. Remember, it was like this, and it's like, how in the world could we look at it? It was there, man. It was there. The setup of all setups, where UniSwap went up like 300% off the same effing things at the same effing levels. You know what we got on this one? We got one of the three targets, and then it was all over. Testament to profit taking, strategically moving stop losses up to entries, or just having a stop loss put in place anyway, because this is now trading at 28.8 cents, which is like right here. It doesn't show it today, I guess. Maybe tomorrow we'll check it out on the play-by-play, but it was like that, and it's just like you can't even make up how perfect it was. I mean, it went up 72% from the entry to that first target. And I'm talking you had 48 hours to sell, make a little money before it was all over forever. Yep. There you go, man. CRV. It's crazy that we're talking about CRV for this long. What do you want to do? You want to go talk about Ethereum, chat? Okay, I guess we'll go to Ethereum. Since it's so pressing, you know. Breaking support, going for the lowest daily candle close. I mean, whatever, you know, back below 35.20, 35.80. Lowest daily candle close since May 19th incoming. But still, you know, it's fine. It's elevated, you know, news driven catalyst getting chipped away at. Highest, look at the negative momentum building, highest level since March 25th, dang. RSI, lowest reading since May. Whatever. Below 35.20, key level. You want to look at Solana? Some guy. You want to see this? This is what you do. It's crazy that someone would do this with Solana trading how it is. Look at this. This happened. Breaking news. Let's just play the sound bit. Okay, breaking news, Lil Pump, some S-Coin mumble rapper tattooed on his face, Solana. There it is. All in symbol. The last thing you see before you die, pretty much. Trump called him Lil Pimp. Let's just call him Lil IQ. Wow. Let's go. No regrets. Let's go to Solana. If we can find it. You know, this is what I'm saying. Like, just bleeding out, no volume, no liquidity, just selling. And then Asia is 6-week lows, the Chinese A50. Hong Kong, 5-week lows. No one's buying there. Equities, garbage. And every night that Asia markets are open, only sell off in crypto, only selling. So Asia is just not buying crypto. You cannot, they never really buy. But man, they're like kind of indiscriminately selling when their markets are open. So yeah, the QQQ tattoo, man. When QQ, now it's like a good time to bring that one back up. Since we just looked at Lil IQ, let's look at highest IQ ever. Got to go tripping through time a little bit. Batson, I missed the extremely creative memes. You know, I said to Brad today, it's like I wonder if the best of the times that we've ever had streaming are behind us or not. I just don't know. Right? This is where it's at. This is high IQ. Because the QQQ is at all-time highs every day. Oh, not Solana. It's beautiful. Asia likes gold, but they stopped buying, and that's what catalyzed the drawdown in gold recently. But it's, I don't know, still in that range, but barely. Did not have a good day today. Oh, okay. So what I hate about it is when we finish looking at Solana, what's next? Garbage? Yes, hot garbage. XRP. You know what XRP is about to do, and it's exciting to talk about? XRP is 20 minutes away from its lowest daily candle close since September 11th. Is Solana doing that? BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum? Lowest price since September. Where's the justification? Like, it's so crazy. People just holding this, and we're looking at big tech, semiconductors, life-changing opportunities blowing up. Oh, Adobe up like 17+% after hours on blowout earnings earlier, like a few hours ago. I mean, so many places. And then, well, I'm just holding XRP. Let's get rich, dude. You're underestimating XRP. You just don't understand, man. You don't understand. Trading the same price as trading at 2017. So how many days is that? Let's just go from when it started. Okay, XRP was trading at the same price 2,382 days ago. Unfathomable amount of time. And you're over here defending XRP. Oh, if you just wait a little bit longer, bro, that's some serious cope, man. That there's actually a community of people that are like that.
Hey,
it's not just a
brother.
few people.
How's it
There's
going,
hex
man?
people too, which
Just
is
got
another
here.
level
XRP
of insanity.
sucks.
Nice. It's crypto face, man. See, there it is. The affirmation I needed. Jesus chimes. For crypto face in XRP sucking. Very nice, dude. How you doing, man? I hope your face has been like this lately and not so much crypto. Hopefully you have an alternative channel called Technology Face. I would certainly subscribe to that if you had it, okay? Think about it. If you start Technology Face, I will start TA with Mitch Ray, but it'd be Tornado Analysis with Mitch Ray, okay? And we can collab. You can come on a storm chase with me next year when the season is right. Okay, cool, dude. XRP, longest time I've ever spent on it. Wow. Well, we can look at Dana Coin down 8%. Hype in the chat. Let's go. Going for the lowest daily candle close since February 20. Hey, people were in here. Is Mitch going to look at crypto today? Is this, you really want me to look at crypto today? Breaking the 200 moving average. Got definitely lower prices in store for this one. That doesn't hold. Way lower price. We're going for an 886 on this low. Leonardo says, why do we even bother looking at this trash? But earlier people were saying, are we going to look at crypto? Danged if you do, danged if you don't. Damn, man. CryptoFace got 15 likes on the super chat. Let's go. Oh, excuse me. I didn't mean to slam that thing. It was a tough face removal tattoo. We got it removed in 2022. I'm thinking about getting it back on, man. All right, I just DYDX. Remember, someone requested this unironically, and it was like, well, it's pretty much garbage. It's kind of terrible and could be going way low, and it's doing that. Working on the lowest daily candle close since June of 2023. It's worse than XRP. Marginally worse, not like extremely worse. So, see you at 136. It's a beanie baby. See you at that, and then maybe after that, if you're lucky, you get 113. It's bad. It's really bad. Someone requested INJ yesterday. I got a feeling no one's going to be requesting S-Coins ever again. This could be the extinction. Still below 200 moving average. Back below that trading range low. Not really great. It's not a good candle. I guess the engulfing candle from yesterday is still valid. Until it's not. Whatever. Nice market, dude. Nice effing market. Cool. GRT rolling over. Back below the 200 moving average. Going for the lowest daily candle close since April 30th. Hot garbage. Could be going for a retest of the local low of 20 cents. If not, 17 cents. Certainly a lower high in the previous high. I mean, quite possibly a massive amount of distribution has been put in on this high, but whatever, you know. What about KSM? Down 7%. Yikes. It's depressing. Ave, lend. Will someone lend me some lend? Because this thing's staring on the edge of the abyss, right? I mean, below this is a major level, dude. They have your alert set up on AAVE. Because if you hear the beep, you're breaking a key support and could be headed way lower. And it wouldn't matter. No one would even know that it even happened outside of us. Well, what, Lind? What? I didn't even know Lind existed. That's what people are going to say when you say it. Wow. It is soggy. Unfortunately, I mean, it's like the worst market, like the worst time of the year for crypto trading, historically speaking. And any setup that you saw is just not catching bids. Rolling over. Matic down 6%. You know this is going to see 54 cents. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's like, of course. And this was all it was a trade setup, man. We go back to it and check it out so you can just see and understand what this market really is. It is not an investor's market. It's never been that way. Ever. Oh, God. Here we go again with the stupid TradingView app. Get it out of here. Call the cops. All Matic was an incredible setup. I mean, it was one of the first ones where I started saying, dang, man. Baba Booey. Baba Booey, yeah. There it was, October. It was a dream of all dreams. Inflection point, type 2 return, bullish divergence, massive M shape, been in development for a long time. And here we go. That's it. It's a loser. What'd you think this was? Oh, dude, I'm just going to hold through it. Yeah, I mean, maybe, but like, dang, dude. You can't think about it like, oh, what if it keeps going beyond targets? I mean, that's freaking extremely nice. That's like CRV target, right? Just to the T. One day you'll learn. I mean, I think a lot of you have learned. It's a trader's market. It's not an investor's market. You don't put your money in here and just let it sit in assets. Gotta have a plan. If you're going to do it for, like, I'm going to do that for a while. Okay, have a plan. Give me an argument on why. Music still playing? Sad stuff, man. Sad stuff. VeChain doing things. Oh, it's doing bad things, man. You gotta really wonder if they're gonna even hold it up. I mean, you're approaching a really key level. 2.8 cents. If that doesn't hold, I don't know why it wouldn't see 2 pennies. It's a major level. I mean, it's already starting to break the little channel here. It's just garbage. Just no one's buying. Got to go where the animal spirits are, and they're not in this market, and they haven't been in this market, and it's been months and months and months. Altcoin down about 5%. It's just like, maybe it's not dead. I mean, it's certainly not invalid yet. I don't think it's invalid until it falls below 486. But you want to talk about someone's patience being tested? This is quite possibly the biggest test ever. The composite operator testing the trader. Because it's not invalid, but it's at the entry. But it's been at the entry, I mean, April 13th, and it's now June 13th. About to be, I guess it is June 13th, right? Wow. 2 months now, dude. Flat line. And still quite possibly the highest effing low of the entire uptrend. That's what's crazy about it. Call me when it breaks 486. Let's just look at storage, man. Y'all asked for it. You said, hey, man, could you look at crypto? Is he ever going to look at crypto? Storage to 35 cents. Nothing makes any sense, literally, until 35 cents. So that means on this joke, this beanie baby, you got 21% downside. Can you afford that, storage holders? I don't think anyone in this community is a storage holder. But if you are watching, you're rare. I can't believe you exist. It's just a type 6 return. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, Cardano flop. Doesn't matter. Adlib S-Coin, same thing. Same, but different. Are we cool, dude? Are we cool? Like, we looked at crypto. Sad news, man. Like, hot. It makes me sad. It's like a unicorn being killed. It's not, no, it's like pretty much that thesis is a little dead, but it's like Altcoin. It's like the same little thing here, you know? Rectangling could possibly be the highest low of uptrend. It still is. But you're just in the danger zone. We're at the death or glory moment for a couple of these falling hot. Like a couple of the best looking M-shape momentum M-shapes with type 2 returns now turning into, right, just extending on, which is not really great. You think Alex Cobb has given up? No, he still tweets, dude. He still posts hopium all the time. We follow each other on Twitter. And we've not checked out UniSwap, which is a very rare, I would just call it UniSwap a certain anomaly right now. It quite possibly working on its highest low. The beautiful M shape that we are seeing on a multitude of assets, not all, not most even, just some. That are not doing anything, still stuck in the pattern completion zone. This one rallied and is holding on. It's trading above the 200 moving average. There's something special about UniSwap. Yes, very special, which is cool because Zupa might have already rage quit. You know, I don't think he's the only person to ever pledge to the Patreon annually for 2 years up front. No one's done that ever, and I don't think anyone will ever do that. It's just Zupa. But this was Zupa's one. And this was the trade of the year was certainly UniSwap. Where we looked at CRV earlier, we looked at Matic. These are like the same type of developments, same type of trades. And then we'll look at this one too, just so you don't forget. I mean, that's the issue. Like, time goes by and people just forget. Like, hey, there was a time where the TA was respected, man. To a level that Super Saiyan God levels of respect. It was there, man. It was identified just like these more recent ones were developed. They weren't as perfect, as great, because they're like kind of momentum harmonics, not complete reversal harmonics, but what more could you ask for? You cannot ask for anything greater than this. Exceeded target. We were $3 away from a Rolex, apparently. But I don't know if Zupa will ever return, man. So yeah, there's your Uniswap. Wait, the ETF approval will likely happen this summer? What was the news about? What was that huge 20% candle? Crypto Creek, inconsequential. It doesn't matter. I mean, you can say that, but I'm sure we could find a Thursday where it doesn't dump. So it doesn't, I mean, you can't really draw a conclusion from that. It doesn't mean anything. Oh, nice. Bitcoin's going to have its 62nd highest candle close of all time. Must not be the daily, because it'd be way less than that. Of course, meme ladies is going to change the world. Any crypto, you ad lib. Yes. Great dev team, great hearts. Certainly going to change the world with groundbreaking technology. Doesn't matter. Pundicoin, KuCoin, Unibot, DFYN, UniSwap, YFI, all the best. They all have God behind them and their dev team. Comp, Hot, Ape, World Reserve Currency, they will all become them. That's the answer. Okay? To anyone that's going to ask a question about crypto, yes, to everything. Okay. Let's go to gold. See what I'm saying? Not really looking great. I mean, in before news-driven catalysts, China was just kidding, dude. They're still accumulating gold. Boom, like huge green candle. But until then, you're looking a little toppy. Momo shift. It's a lower high than previous high. Sitting at a support. Not many bids off of it. Bearish engulfing candle confirmed today, yesterday. Bearish divergence still very much alive and active. So if they don't hold it, easy run to 2183. So just pay attention. Have your alert set up on gold below this 2285 level. Silver, same boat. It was a nice run, man. And then, remember what we looked at. Remember how we were looking at this? 3 falling peaks. Okay, you have, we discussed yesterday, the bearish break and then the confirmation. Confirmation line, the second valley was broken and now it's formally back tested as resistance bearish breakdown. So it's like classic distribution structure. A correction here, like it would make all the sense in the world because there's no support here. You've already broken support and it's a long way down. And 200 moving average, 26, 28 on this time scale, $26 a key level from history. You just can't be surprised if we see at least a little bit further downside. The oscillator's playing ball too with tons of negative Momo, RSI. And is there any divergence? Nope, none at all. Seafood had a good day today. Dang, dude, seafood bottoms in. The seafood bottoms in, chat. You want to talk about classic accumulation pretty locally? Greg, seafood. It's gorgeous. Here's a valley. Here's the second valley. And here is the third valley. All happening at a key support from history. Buckle up, 84 to $90 on deck for 0GW8. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Yeah, Greg Seafood. Don't you dare come back to the stream whenever we're at 92 to $100+ and say, hey man, why didn't I hear about Greg Seafood? You're hearing about it. The stage set for Varsity Athlete. Come up and there it is, chat. There it is. We did it, man. We made it to the end of the day for crypto. Pretty garbage. Wow. Riveting. I'm hungry, dude. I'm really hungry. Yep, sad days up here. Bitcoin, lowest daily candle close confirmed since May 19th. Bearish engulfing candle technically confirmed. Not really that big of a deal on that. But something below the 200 moving average on the 4-hour. You tested that supply line of the flag once, then twice, and it was a slightly higher, lower high. It's kind of ominous price action. You would like to see my watch list, wouldn't you, G-Dog? It's been a good month. I mean, the past 2 days, mother of God. Like I give a crap about crypto. Oh my God. Nvidia. It's currently, for the first time in human history, and after hours trading, at $130. Wow. Wow. A dream. It is truly a dream. I hope at least some of y'all got in on this semiconductor stuff, because it's $19.99 right now. I think we're in it. We're in the bubble. We're riding the bubble. I don't know really when it's going to end, whether it's sooner or later, but it's just things are starting to run away now, and they're starting to trade like they were trading in 98, 99. Not as crazy yet, but we're getting there. ICP on the 4-hour mugs? Dude, yeah. All right. Time to get out of tech and traditional assets. Let's go buy ICP. You want to see the developers of ICP's bathroom or bedroom, excuse me? All right, we found the we found the home. We're getting a grand tour. ICP devs bedroom. Here it is. Total winner. Okay, buckle up on ICP. We're about to min. Unbelievable. No, that's not ICP. That's CRV. Same bedroom. They were roommates or something. Yeah, dude, I guess we'll look at Ethereum. I like the music though. At least we got that going, right? Bearish and golden candle, breaking key supports, lowest close since May 19th. That's your Ethereum. Solana, same thing. Appropriate school emoji. Like Nvidia will become Skynet. It'll become self-aware, create an entire robot army to kill humans, and crypto is just going to be hanging out, hanging around, pulling a Beetlejuice. Anyway, man, I don't know. I've been live an hour now, and you understand these market conditions. We're going to do the run around of these assets. Check. I think we had. Did we have another request? I think we had 2 contributions today, maybe 3. That's yesterday's tip jar and today's combined, because you know, at this point, man, it's going to take all week to fill up. Good God, Nvidia is melting up after hours or overnight, whatever. Yeah, 99, man. We're 98, 99. Let's see. Terrawolf for T-Bone, but also Cores for BD. Interesting, with 2 miners. It's the only 2 requests of the day. Cores. There it is. The Jesus. Another day, another all-time high. Got to 1071. Closed up 2.93%. And that's it. Nothing to do. Nothing to look at. But wow, it was great down here, I guess. And once it broke out, it was a breakout, a back test, and a go. Like a textbook break, hook, and go. Wow, that's by the book, man. Yeah, incredible. Just, nothing to do. Let's go to Wolf. Let's go to Wolf, dude. Another day, an all-time close. Just kidding, I don't know, it's an all-time, whatever. That means the highest daily candle close confirmed, which is so surprising because of crypto, right? Highest daily candle close confirmed since May 2nd. Barely. It was about to be April 2022. Multi-year highs on Terrawolf today. I would say this first target, second target, $6 and change. Running away, man. Has over doubled in about a week. What is it? Let's just say since June 3rd. Doubled in 10 days, Larry. That's not much to look at. I mean, right? It was more compelling when people weren't requesting it, right? It was more compelling when it was like, dang, man, this looks good. This is looking set up for our prices, man. You're buying at the basement, lots of accumulation, and it's gone. $6 after 4. Certainly a little profit taking level. I took a little bit of profit today on those calls because they were up like 200%.
Another miner, please. BTBT. Thanks, Mitch.
Daniel Mendez, thank you for the 20. BTBT, repeating, of course. Thank you, man. I'll take gander. I don't think it's really been doing anything notable lately. But that was beautiful. Core Scientific and Wolf Tang. The dreams. BTBT. It's okay. Spring back tests, really, really good. That was a great entry level around $2. Truly was. It's been marching up, but it's got my blessing. This looks like 344 and 445 targets. Major confirmation low, like way more than before. That's so real, man. The closer you were to 2, the easier it was to strategize an entry stop loss. So 344, 445. Above that, let's just say $5. So I think you could double from here. Probably effortlessly. I mean, I would say effortlessly, it could appreciate 22 to 58, 60% from here. That is your bit digital. Not bad, man. Not bad. SDIG up 2%. My alert did not go off, but we're getting really close. This is one to monitor because this could be a failed bearish breakdown and could be a really nice spot in Wyckoff accumulation. One of the last things that happened, like if they recapture this level and we are blessed enough to receive some sort of spring back test, that's the bottom. That's it. That was their chance. And a bullish hammer has ushered in the reversal, a nice higher low rounded bottom here. It's like Adam and Eve, double bottom. I'm going to take a long on SDIG if I ever hear a beep. If we get back above $4, I mean, if you get above $4, it's so easy to manage your risk. And there's so much upside, dude. Like above $4, you have 90% upside all the way to 126% upside. And that's just being like conservative. It's the beauty of buying bottom of ranges. You always have like insane upside potential. So this is one to really pay attention to. And this could be a big money maker if we just get a couple more things happening here. And at this point, you could also like take a chance. You really could take a chance. It's going to be a little trickier, but like, think we could just do it like this, man. Stop loss below that little abandoned baby. We got to let it ride, man. I don't know. I mean, you could get away with 659. But if you're just going to be real range trader, you got like 4.44 repeating, of course, to 1. That simple. Like, if you're like, because sometimes these things just like kind of run away. Like, you don't get the spring test, you don't get anything. It's just like, if you're wanting to, if you're a little, this is like, I'm getting a little FOMO here. Like, it's okay to get that feeling. This is a great spot to get that, whoa, this is perfect. One could size it up like that. You could get away with it, lose your stop loss if you wanted to, but I'm just using my gut to set up that stop around 306. You could go $3 if you wanted. But that's kind of literally how you can play it. You could even have a third target if you really wanted, man. What do you need it for? Third target, just that revisiting that high from 2023, December. It could be like that, okay? Let's just publish it. F it. We'll do it. We'll take the chance. You might get a down day tomorrow, which would be good. I don't even know, man. It's just like a range. It's a trend analysis. It's just a no trend, right? That's all you're doing. You don't really have any, I guess, chart pattern, because we kind of have an Adam and Eve. SDIG. And the good news about it is, like, it's been immune to Bitcoin terrible price action, you know. I'm okay with it, man. I think it's reasonable. It's F. Super reasonable here. Anyone else? Do y'all, I mean, what do y'all think? Chat, what do you think? I mean, you certainly have your opinion. You could say, like, hey, man, that's not really a good setup. I don't, like, the AMD one wasn't really that good. I think it got stopped out already. So, this is just kind of possibly amazing, the failed bearish breakdown of the range. And then they're confirming that there are more than before. I like that. RSI in the bullish control zone, that's a great idea. I mean, that's a great point. Very much so. That's awesome. Oh my goodness, dude. It's at 62. Perfect conditions, momentum building. Highest level of positive momentum seen since April 26th. This has got the makings of a velocity athlete. And it fails? All right. That's part and parcel of trading. How did the set end? My God, hey, look, I'll look up and Nvidia's at all-time highs again. Wuji, I don't care if it's nuclear waste. Doesn't matter. But we did say Wolf Tang was green. So maybe SDIG's going to do things. All right, hype in the chat for SDIG.
Baba Booey.
Thank you for the Baba Booey. Let's go. Yeah, there was a successful setup here. SDIG, man, right? It was back. I believe it was back in September, this M shape. Or maybe it was the spring back test or something. We've had success on this. A lot of SDIG talk in chat. Wow. Maybe I'm crazy. No, there it is. Oh. SDIG Whisperer chat. We've been here before. We've been here before. November 28, 2023. Look at it. Look, chat. Look at it.
Look here. Look, listen.
You get it? Target 761,914. Bottom of a trading range, kind of failed breakdown, and perfect. Literally perfect. And here we are. We're back. We're going to shoot our shot again. Same levels. Trading range. That's what I'll leave you with. Good luck. Good luck, everyone, in crypto with this staring at our face. Call me when we get a 5-0. Call me when we get a Jesus candle. Call me when sentiment changes. Call me when some sovereign wealth nation buys and it propagates Bitcoin higher. Until then, this is what you got. Bearish shark type 2 return, bearish divergence, negative momentum building, bearish engulfing candle confirmed today. Lowest level since May. It's gonna be May. Alright, thanks for likes, love, support, contributions. Fuzi, what's up, dude? Summertime sadness. Not if you own semiconductors. I'll be back. Till next time. Respect the T.A. Right, Pooter Man on Twitch.
What would it be like if you were here? I wonder if you know how much I think about you. I wonder if you know how you cross my mind. Thoughts of you. I think I miss you. I can't wait to see you again. I can't wait to see you again. I can't wait. To see you again. To see you again. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait. I can't wait to see you again. I can't wait to see you again.